right now it's time for the third and the most interesting game that I like, which is called Tradition or Not. मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि दुनिया की कोने कोने में क्या लोग फॉलो करते हैं. आपको मुझे बताना है कि क्या वो ट्रेडिशन है कि वो ट्रेडिशन नहीं है. ओके, वेदर इट्स अ ट्रेडिशन और इट्स नॉट अ ट्रेडिशन. हाउ डू यू टेल मी? आपको सिर्फ चैट बॉक्स में ये लिखना होगा. अगर आपको लगता है कि वो ट्रेडिशन है, आप ट्रेडिशन लिख के मुझे भेज दीजिए. अगर आपको लगता है वो ट्रेडिशन नहीं है, तो नॉट ट्रेडिशन लिख के भेज दीजिए. ओके, ओनली टू ऑप्शंस. हियर वी हैव the first slide. Computer ji, can we have the first one, please? People smash plates in front of their friends and relatives' houses on the New Year's Eve. डेनमार्क में ऐसा माना जाता है कि लोग अपनी प्लेटें, कांच की प्लेटें दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों के सामने, घर के सामने आके न्यू ईयर की रात पे तोड़ते हैं. Tell me, do you think it's a tradition or it's not a tradition? Mr. Vikas says it's a tradition. Mayur says it's a tradition. Anand says it's not a tradition. But सबसे पहले हम पूछेंगे Mr. Vikas, why do you think it's a tradition?
I think I've read it somewhere, something similar.
Okay, but do you think Denmark में ऐसा होता है? You're not sure.
This is a tradition somewhere. I'm not too sure about the Denmark as a location specific.
Okay, fantastic. That's interesting. But Anand, Mr. Anand says that it's not a tradition. Mr. Anand, why do you think it's not a tradition?
Because I've not heard it about Denmark. I've heard it about Greece. Like in Greece or Greek, they have this thing. So that's...
Okay. Interesting. Let's see if it is a tradition or not. Computer ji, please give us the correct answer. So it is a tradition. This is said to bring good luck. The more friends who smash their plates in front of your house, the more luck you get in the coming year. And that is really true. Everyone, can we have a huge round of applause for all the participants? Then now, if you want some good luck for your coming year, आपको पता चल चुका है कि आपको करना क्या होगा. But now let's quickly have a look at the second one. In Italy, people throw furniture out of their windows to begin the new year. Oh, what do you think? Is it a tradition? It's not a tradition. Everyone, at least I want to see at least 43 messages in the chat box. Give me your answers. Rachita says it's a tradition. Rachita, do you really think people would throw furniture out of the window and it would be a tradition?
I think in Europe anyways they are throwing and breaking everything from tradition. I guess this is too.
Okay, that's an interesting insight about what you think about the Europe. But Ashish Arora says it's not a tradition. Ashish, why do you think it's not a tradition? Ashish, can you turn on your audio and answer, please?
I never heard about this.
Oh, Mr. Ashish has never heard about this. What about Anju ma'am? Anju ma'am, you think it's not a tradition?
Like furniture, like throwing out a furniture is such a huge task.
Actually, so I saw it in some movie.
Yeah?
I saw it in some movie.
Yeah, furniture throw. It is such a heavy furniture.
Italian movie, I think they were throwing out furnitures in the...
On the New Year's Eve, I think Mr. Vikas ने ना हर knowledgeable movie और हर knowledgeable insight पढ़ी हुई है, देखी हुई है. Because, ladies and gentlemen, मैं आपको बता दूं, it is a tradition. So, Mr. Vikas and Rachita, yes, it may sound silly, but it is a real thing. Locals throw old furniture out of the window to symbolize a fresh start for the coming year. That is absolutely correct. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what they do. So, it's not always to throw out a sofa or something very heavy.
Symbolic.
To symbolize, they need to just throw an old furniture that is captivating or that's holding on to the bad energies in the house, because people believe that old furniture store a lot of negative energies. So once you throw it out, you can start with a fresh start on a new year. So that's how they look at it. Okay, quickly moving on with the next one. Let's see what do we have. It's considered unlucky to sleep before 12 a.m. on New Year's night in Thailand. It's considered unlucky to sleep before 12 a.m. on New Year's night in Thailand. What do you think is the correct answer? Everyone, give me your answers. Everyone, give me your answers. Jaldi. And I'm waiting for your answers, ladies and gentlemen. No one, no, not a tradition. Rachita, why do you think it's not a tradition?
I mean, that can be a norm not to sleep and enjoy the new year, but traditionally, I mean, I don't think so.
Okay. Mr. Vikas also says it's not a tradition. ऐसा क्यों? जब सोना है.
Who sleeps on 31st night?
Who sleeps on 31st night? तो फिर तो tradition होना चाहिए ना कि people would be upset.
But Thailand never sleeps.
Thailand never sleeps. अरुण सर ने दिया हमें एकदम खतरनाक insight.
Yeah.
Sir, have you ever had a chance to have a New Year in Thailand?
No.
So you've been to Thailand?
Yeah.
Lovely. Is there anyone else who's been to Thailand? Please raise your hand. Arun Ji has been to Thailand. What about others? Mr. Vikas never been to Thailand? Okay. What about Mr. Gaurav? Mr. Gaurav says yes. लेकिन मैं बताऊंगा नहीं किसी को. No. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, quickly let's look out for the answer. Computer ji, show us what the correct answer is. It's not a tradition. Sleep whenever you feel like. जब नींद आए सो जाओ, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So that is lovely. Quickly moving on with the next and the last one for this round. In Romania, farmers spend New Year's Day talking to their livestock. What do you think it's a tradition? Farmers spending the New Year's Day talking to their livestock.
Come on, everyone, more answers in the chat box from everyone.
I will want to see at least 43 people giving me the answers in the chat box. Alok Singh says it's a tradition. Alok Singh, why do you think it's a tradition, Mr. Alok? Mr. Alok?
Sir, just we give some relaxation if we are talking with the animals.
Oh, just some relaxation.
Because they are giving also positive energy to us when they are breathing.
When they are breathing?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting way of taking a life very seriously. What about the others? Mr. Arun ने कहा it is a tradition. Arun ji. Arun Singh, Mr. Arun Singh, why do you think it's a tradition?
Basically, it is just making them comfortable at midnight. And similarly, you also get yourself cool down.
What do you think कि रात में 12 बजे इतनी ज्यादा सेलिब्रेट कर लिया कि अब होश नहीं है कि हम इंसानों से बात कर रहे हैं कि जानवरों से बात कर रहे हैं.
So that's what I told it. It's cool down.
It's cool down. Lovely. But Mr. Vikas ji ने कहा it is not a tradition. They would be speaking on all days. Mr. Vikas, ये तो बहुत ही सही बात हो गई कि वो तो रोज ही तो न्यू ईयर के दिन पे बात करने में कौन सी बड़ी बात है. But Anju ma'am says it's a tradition. Ma'am, why do you think it's a tradition? Ma'am, you're on mute.
When you talk to the animals, like it's very relaxing. And if you have a pet at home, you can also see like New Year and you hug them and wish them. It's the same, like something like that. Might be.
Okay. Interesting. Computer ji, let's have a look whether it's a tradition or not. It is a tradition, ladies and gentlemen. Talking to the animals is traditions in Romania. Apparently, if farmers succeed, good luck comes their way. So that's absolutely lovely. Relax तो हो ही जाते हैं, उसके साथ ही साथ अपने लाइफ स्टॉक से बात करके उनको पॉजिटिव एनर्जी भी मिलती है. And that is how they want to succeed in the year. So they would all talk about the good things that they want from their livestock, and that happens with them. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we come to the end of our traditional note. Thank you so much for the lovely participation.